Marrying a Dominican in the Dominican Republic as a foreigner involves several steps. Here is an overview of the process. 1. Legal requirements. Before getting married in the Dominican Republic, you will need to ensure that you meet the legal requirements. These may include providing proof of identity, nationality, and marital status. You may need to obtain a certificate of no impediment to marriage from your country's embassy or consulate in the Dominican Republic. 2. Documentation. You will need to gather necessary documentation such as your passport, birth certificate, and any other documents required by the Dominican authorities. It is advisable to have these documents translated into Spanish by a certified translator. 3. Affidavit. Before getting married, you may be required to sign an affidavit of eligibility to marry, stating that you are legally free to marry. 4. Residency. Some civil registries in the Dominican Republic may require a period of residency before you can get married. The length of residency varies depending on the location. 5. Civil or religious ceremony. You can choose to have a civil or religious ceremony. Civil marriages are legally recognized in the Dominican Republic, while religious ceremonies may require additional documentation. 6. Marriage license. You will need to apply for a marriage license at the Civil Registry Office in the Dominican Republic. You may need to provide all the necessary documentation and pay a fee for the marriage license. 7. Witnesses. You will need to have at least 2 witnesses present at your wedding ceremony. The witnesses must be over 18 years old and have their identification documents with them. 8. Ceremony. On the day of your wedding, you will need to present all the required documents, exchange vows, and sign the marriage certificate. The officiant will then register your marriage with the civil registry. 9. Marriage certificate. After the wedding ceremony, you will receive a marriage certificate issued by the Civil Registry Office. This document serves as proof of your marriage in the Dominican Republic. 10. Legalization and translation. Depending on your home country's requirements, you may need to legalize your marriage certificate at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in the Dominican Republic and translate it into your native language. It's important to note that the process to marry a Dominican in the Dominican Republic may vary depending on your specific circumstances, such as your nationality, residency status, and the location where you plan to get married. It is highly recommended to consult with a local attorney or wedding planner who can guide you through the process and ensure that all legal requirements are met.